Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to verify Steam Cache to fix common game issues. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Library to access your complete game collection. This is where all your installed and purchased games are organized, making it easy to manage them. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your games. Locate the game you want to verify and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options for managing that specific game. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up a dedicated settings window where you can configure everything related to this particular game, from launch options to file management. In the Properties window, you'll notice another left panel with different tabs. Look for and click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to tools that help you manage the actual game files stored on your computer, which is exactly what we need for verification. Within the Installed Files tab, you'll see a button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates an important diagnostic process where Steam systematically checks every single file in your game installation against its official database. What this does is incredibly useful because Steam will automatically scan through the entire game, comparing each file to ensure nothing is missing, corrupted, or modified incorrectly. As the verification runs, Steam is working behind the scenes to identify any problems with your game files. If it finds anything wrong, whether it's missing files, corrupted updates, or damaged data, it will automatically re-download those specific files from Steam's servers. This process is particularly effective at resolving common issues like game crashes, launch problems, black screen errors, and other frustrating technical difficulties that often stem from file corruption or incomplete downloads. The verification can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes depending on the size of your game, so give it some time to complete the full scan. And that's it, you've successfully verified your Steam cache and fixed any file issues with your game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.